What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Recipe Magic. Hope you're having a great Easter weekend. Today, I'm gonna make some easy bunny cupcakes for Easter season. They're super easy to make. Also, they look so adorable. Trust me, when I made them, I couldn't stop ogling at them for like about a minute or so. They're super cute. So let's get started. First of all, combine some dry ingredients. It's some all-purpose flour along with some baking powder. Pour in some brown sugar, milk, crack in an egg, and also some vegetable oil. Combine all of it together to make your perfect creamy cupcake batter ready. Now you can add any flavor alterations of your choice. If you want to make it chocolate one, you can add some cocoa powder. If you want to make it lemon cupcakes, you can add some lemon zest into it. And once your cake batter looks exactly like this, it's ribbony, and then you want to transfer it to a lined muffin tin. I'm going to top it in the lined muffin tin and pour it completely so that you have perfect oval shaped edges on the top so that it bakes perfectly. And then bake it at 350 Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes until the skewer inside it in the center comes out clean with some few moist breadcrumbs. And this is how you make these easy cupcakes. You can also use a cake mix. This will skip your cooking time to half and you're gonna love it. And once your cupcakes get baked, you just want to frost it with some cream cheese frosting. Now you can use whipped cream frosting as well. However, I love the cream cheese frosting over these vanilla baked cupcakes. They add a nice tang to it. I'm just using cream cheese frosting, which is nothing but some cream cheese beaten together with some sugar. There's no particular nozzle that you have to use here. You can use any nozzle of your choice so that the cupcakes get perfectly frosted with the cream cheese frosting. And once you have frosted it completely, you just want to add some coconut on top. So for that, you just want to grab a cupcake and take some shredded coconut in a bowl and coat it all over with the shredded coconut. This looks like a bunny, isn't it? And it looks so cute. Just repeat this step with all other leftover cupcakes and you will have the perfect bunny faces ready. And now over to the next step, we are going to make some bunny ears. And for the bunny ears, you just want to grab some marshmallows. You can add any marshmallows of your choice. However, the larger ones are the better for the perfect bunny cupcakes. Cut them up diagonally so that you have bunny ear shape ready, and once you have done that, coat it with some pink sugar sprinklers. Now I know pink sugar sprinklers isn't easily available, so for that what you can do is you can take some icing sugar and add a drop of pink food color and then just combine all of it together in a piping bag and you will have perfect pink sprinklers ready at home. And then you can just add some candy eyes on top and also a pink heart shaped nose to make these cute cupcakes ready. They are so easy, right? Trust me, every kid on the block is gonna love these bunny cupcakes. They are one of the best cupcakes of the season. And also they are super cute and adorable, perfect to go for your Easter brunch where everybody looks for such cute Easter dessert recipes. Easter is one such holiday where everybody looks for the cutest desserts, and these bunny cupcakes are one of my favorites to do. Hope you enjoyed watching and learning this recipe with me. Do give this a try for Easter this season and let me know how you enjoyed making this recipe. Follow Recipe Magic for more such quick and easy seasonal and healthy easy dessert recipes which you'll love for sure. Do give this recipe a try, and if you have any questions, post them below in the comment section. Happy Easter, everyone.